Earlier this week, Governor Andrew Cuomo released a statement saying that local governments are not doing enough to enforce COVID-19 guidelines. Our Jasmine Allen spoke with Oneida County Executive Anthony Pacenti about his response and how this county is continuing to impose those guidelines.
Throughout the pandemic, Governor Cuomo has issued a number of executive orders to help stop the spread of the virus. Now, Cuomo is pushing for a policy that would hold local governments responsible for not enforcing the state's COVID-19 guidelines.
We enforced things before the state did. We put a mask order in before the state. We closed things before the state. We were doing inspections before the state said we had to. So as far as Oneida County is concerned, I'm not overly concerned about enforcing or our lack of enforcement because, quite frankly, we've been doing it.
Cuomo's statement is in response to the rising number of positives downstate in places like Brooklyn, Queens, and Rockland and Orange counties. Pacenti says the entire state shouldn't be punished for a few regions that lack enforcement. When
the governor or anybody talks about it, they're talking about a few specific areas, and if that's his case, then he should talk about those few specific areas. Our rates are as low as any place in the state, if not, one of the lowest.
Businesses that violate these guidelines can face fines or get completely shut down. But holding individuals responsible is where the lines get blurred.
If you knowingly infected someone, yeah, that can be charged. But again, the term is knowingly. On the individual basis, it's very difficult. It's a very gray area.
Pacenti says the county will continue to hold briefings as needed and provide the public with daily COVID-19 updates on their website, ocgov.net. In Utica, Jasmine Allen, Eyewitness News.
We also spoke with Utica's Mayor Robert Palmieri about the city's take on Cuomo's new policy. Similar to the county executive, Palmieri believes Cuomo's statement was directed toward the areas with spikes in the infection rate.
I think he was speaking about other areas, not upstate New York, because we have done the citizens have done an outstanding job complying with the mask, the 6 foot and the 50. Do every once in a while people break the rules? Absolutely they do, and we're there to tell them it's for all of our benefit at this point that they stay within the confines of the CDC guidelines.
And contact the city's office to report any businesses or individuals who have violated the state's guidelines.